Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can export as image in CapCut. It's pretty easy. All I have to do, you just need to move this playhead on the point you would like to export image for. Once you're happy with the shot, just click on these three horizontal lines and you would see the option export still frames. Select that option. Right here you can just name the screenshot or name the image whatever you like. I'm gonna name it LLE6, and you can also change the path for this image. I'm gonna save it right here in sample data folder, and that way we have changed the path. You can also change the resolution to like 720p, 480p, 1080p, 2k, 4k, 8k, whichever you like. And also you can change the format to png or jpeg. And once you're done, simply select the option export, and that way you can see we have successfully exported the image. To see if the image is exported or not, let me select the folder, and there you go, this is the image which we have exported. And it is that easy to export as image in CapCut. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.